Hello everyone. If you and your partner are planning for a baby, but you are confused about the exact time when you need to try for the baby, means you don't know, you don't have any idea about when to have sex for getting pregnant. So in that case, this video is for you. If you don't have such knowledge, and to understand this thing properly, you need to understand your menstrual cycle. If you can understand your menstrual cycle, then the calculation is so easy. It's just like a simple arithmetic calculation. Okay, so first of all, you should know what is menstrual cycle. And since you are a woman, so this is known to you. So in your menstrual cycle means what actually what happens. Every woman's body every month goes through a cycle, and that cycle is known as a menstrual cycle. Every woman's body goes through a cycle every month, okay, and that cycle is known as menstrual cycle. And day 1 is counted as the day on which the first bleeding occurs in every month, okay. And usually this menstrual cycle lasts for 28 days, but for few women this may vary. Okay, maybe it is less than 28 days, maybe it is more than 28 days. A little shorter or a little longer for few women. But in most of the cases, this menstrual cycle lasts for 28 days. And the first day of bleeding or first day of period is counted as day 1. Just keep in your mind that the first day of bleeding is counted as day 1. Then you won't get confused at all. If you want to plan for a baby, or if you want to plan for pregnancy in that case. So that is day 1. Next comes one more thing that is known as fertile window. So what happens actually, so now you know day 1. So around day 14, around day 14, ovulation occurs. Ovulation means what? Ovulation means the woman's ovary releases an egg. In most of the cases, only one egg is released. Okay. In special cases, maybe more than one egg are also released. But in normal cases, only one egg is released, and that procedure, that process is known as ovulation. So ovulation occurs around day 14. Okay, and this is the best time for having sex. And one more thing you should keep in your mind, that is, an egg lives only for 24 hours, not more than that. An egg after ovulation, means after releasing from the ovary, it lives only for 24 hours inside the woman's body. But you know, sperm, male produces sperm, and sperm can survive for 5 days. Yes, for egg it is only 1 day, 24 hours, and for sperm it is 5 days. That means there is a chance that sperm can wait inside the woman's body for 5 days for pregnancy to occur. Okay, so this thing you should know, you should properly understand. Then only you can plan easily for pregnancy. So next thing is what you should know, what you should know, that is a fertile window. Fertile window, this is the timing during which if the woman has sex, then in that case there is a highest chance of pregnancy. Means fertile window is known as the timing in which the chances of pregnancy is highest. Okay, so fertile window, this lasts only for 6 days, day 10 to day 15, because around day 14 egg is released from the ovary. So the fertile window, if you can understand all these things, then you can easily guess why day 10 to day 15 is being mentioned here. because sperm can wait inside the body and sperm can survive for 5 days. Okay, so day 10 to day 15 is known as, these 6 days are known as a fertile window. So during these days, the couples should have sex daily or every other day, either every day or every other day. Then there is a maximum chance of getting pregnant. Okay, either every day or every other day, they should have sex. So during the fertile window, and maximum chance actually is day 11 to day 15. Though it is recommended by doctors to have sex from day 10 to day 15. Okay. Anyway, more or less they are same, day 10 and day 11. There is only difference of 1 day. But maximum chance of pregnancy is from day 11 to day 15. Anyway, so this was all about what? Fertile window. Okay, now next comes one more thing, that is a few myths are there regarding pregnancy. Let me so 3 myths are there actually. Okay, first myth is only one sex position works for pregnancy. First myth is only one sex position. You know, during having sex, there are so many positions. And according to some people, not all people, and science does not support this, and that's why this is called myth. Okay. So what is the myth? Only one sex position works for pregnancy, and those sex positions are missionary style and doggy style. But that is not the truth. Any position means couples can have their sexual intercourse by using any position. Not necessarily it should be either missionary or doggy style. Okay, position doesn't matter at all. And what is the reason behind this myth? Means according to some people, okay, in missionary position or in doggy style position, there is a maximum chance of getting pregnancy. Why? Because gravity plays a vital role. In such positions, sperm can go deep inside the fallopian tubes. So there is a maximum chance of pregnancy, according to some people. But that is not true. Gravity has a little impact on this thing, on fertility. Okay, gravity has a little impact on fertility. One more thing is that the truth is what? Truth is sperm are good swimmers. They are very good swimmers. So whatever be the position, they can easily swim to reach the fallopian tubes, and therefore naturally pregnancy can occur. Of course, certain conditions are there. Your reproductive system should be in good condition. Means those things, reproductive system of both the males and females should be in good condition. They should be healthy. The quality of sperm and quality of egg should be healthy. They should be healthy, egg and sperm. And timing is vital. Okay, just keep in your mind that fertile window. So that was the first myth. Second myth is what? Second myth is more sex means better chances. More sex means better chances of conceiving or better chances of pregnancy. That is also wrong. Answer to this question is, answer to this myth is timing is more important than quantity. Timing is more important than quantity. Okay, that is the actual answer. And the third myth is what? You can't get pregnant right after or before your period. You can't get pregnant right after or before your period. You can. You can, especially if your menstrual cycle is irregular. Okay, in case the woman's menstrual cycle is irregular, in that case there is a chance of getting pregnant right after or before the period or the menstrual cycle. Okay, actually this is not called menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle means that 28 days is known as menstrual cycle. This is known as only period, the time during which bleeding occurs. So just keep in your mind day 10 to day 15. That is the fertile window. If you have sex during that period, then there is a maximum chance of pregnancy, and day 1 is the first day of your bleeding. Just keep in your mind these two things and nothing else. So in that case, if you can understand these things well, in that case no medical help will be required. You can plan yourself the best time for getting pregnant. Anyway, so this was all about today's discussion. If you found this video to be helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.